sniffing.
I dropped some cocaine on his back. Right, my dog Chili Dog. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give us a story about
cocaine on his back.
Off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Chili. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog. I dropped some cocaine on his back, and I was forced to do the entire rail with my buddy JoJo Stormcloud.
Strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon.